Amazon, say hello to your guests.
Hello, welcome to 2721 Terminal Avenue Smart Home built by Sean's Interior and Exterior. Please call me Amazon. If you have any questions, just ask. Start by asking, Amazon, what is the square footage of this home?
Amazon, what is the square footage of this home?
This house is approximately 1,730 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 and 1/2 bathrooms, a loft and many smart features consisting of automated blinds, remote locks and automated lights. My list price is $409,000.
Amazon, turn on entrance lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on island lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on island lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on island accent lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on family ceiling lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on family room lights.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, Amazon, I need you to turn on Amazon, turn on master bedroom lights.
A couple things share that name. 21 master bedroom, 21 master bedroom. Which one did you want?
21 master bedroom.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on rail lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on stair lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on loft ceiling lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on fan lights.
Okay.
Amazon, open all 21 loft blinds.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on pink room light.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on gray room light.
Okay.
Amazon, close 21 loft blinds.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off loft ceiling fan.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off loft fan.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off pink room light.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off gray room light.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off stair lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off 21 master bedroom lights.
Okay.
Amazon, turn off family room lights.